In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow effects in Framer in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to enhance the design of your website with some sleek shadow effects but don't know where to start, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll want to head over to Framer's website. Framer is a no-code website builder that lets you create stunning and professional websites with ease. If you're not familiar with it, think of Framer as a designer's paradise, a place where creativity meets ease. To get started, simply navigate to Framer using your web browser. Once you're on the Framer homepage, look for the login option. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and then proceed to enter your login credentials. If you don't already have an account, this would be a good time to create one so you can join the myriad of designers leveraging Framer's user-friendly tools. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Framer homepage, which showcases all your exciting projects. This is essentially your dashboard, a place where your design ideas come to life. Now, you will need to select a project to work on. Simply scroll through your list and click on a project that you want to edit. Inside your selected project, it's time to pick out the element to which you want to add the shadow effect. This could be any element on your design canvas that you feel could benefit from a bit of depth or emphasis with a shadow. Click on the element and it should be highlighted for you. Next, with your element selected, you'll want to open the Effects panel. This is usually accessible after you've selected your element and is where all the magic happens. Look for an option labeled Effects. This is where you'll create the shadow effect. Once inside the Effects tab, you're ready to bring your element to life with shadows. Explore the shadow settings, which allow you to adjust properties like color, blur, spread, and position. This is a great opportunity to play around with different settings to achieve the exact look you're going for. Experimentation is key. With Framer's intuitive interface, you can easily preview the changes as you adjust each parameter. And there you have it. You've successfully added a shadow effect to your element in Framer. Shadows can really make your design stand out, providing depth and focus. And you've just learned how to master them in minutes. Now, all that's left is for you to save your project and take a step back to appreciate your enhanced design. Remember, practice makes perfect. And the more you explore Framer's tools, the more proficient you'll become. Thank you for tuning in today. And I hope you enjoyed this straightforward walkthrough. Until next time, happy designing!